there, makeup freaks, welcome back to my channel. That is right, today is video number 2 of my Valentine. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I don't like Valentine. I'm going to do a red theme, and today's not just only Valentine, it's also a special dedication for my Peaches. Tomorrow is her birthday, so happy birthday to you, Peaches. Love you. Now let's go ahead and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you can tell, I already have my eyebrows and foundation done. So I just wanted to go straight to the point and do my eyes so I can do a little bit more of the step-by-step. Today, I'm going to use 2 different palettes. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Jacklin palette. And I'm going to be using the JUVIA'S Place palette, and this is the Queen palette. As the base of my color, I'm actually going to start off with a liquid lipstick so I can bring out more of the red that I want to intensify. And I'm going to use the liquid lipstick from Anastasia, and this is in Seraphine. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay a little bit on the lid. And with this Urban Decay dual brush, I'm going to use the bigger side to blend it in. And with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead into my Queen palette from JUVIA'S, and I'm going to use the Oli color, which is this red, to set the liquid lipstick. Using the same brush, but the smaller side, we're gonna go ahead in our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're gonna use this color called Wigless, which is a shimmery burgundy color, and we're gonna lay it on our lid. Now I'm going to come in with the Morphe M330, and I'm going to use this as my blending brush, and I'm going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to dip in back into the Juvia palette, and I'm going to use this FDV approval color, and I'm going to be using the Sigma E33 brush, and I'm going to be placing this color on my brow bone. With our Maybelline Graphic Master eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. With a makeup remover, I'm going to go ahead and remove the excess makeup. With my Sigma eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the waterline on the top. With my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and just add mascara to the top lash so that way we can apply our eyelashes. And for today's lashes, we're going to be using the Luxe Lashes, and this is in style Royalty. And we are going to be applying it with the Duo Clear Adhesive. Now that the top portion is complete, let's go ahead and complete the next eye off camera. Ta-da! So you notice how I took off a lot of my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and grab my concealer, and for today's concealer I use Milani, and this is the Perfect and Conceal, and I'm just going to add a little bit to my under eye and blend it in with my beauty blender. Now we're gonna grab our small and dual brush again, and we're going to use the Oli color that we use from the Juvia palette, and we're gonna use it on the under eye. Now let's add our eyeliner to our waterline. Now let's add the mascara to our bottom lash. With brush 132 from BH Cosmetic, which is this pointer brush, we're gonna go back into our FDV Approve shade, and we're gonna use it on our inner corner. Now that we have completed our eyes, let's move on to our face. And that is how I created my red eyeshadow with a nude lip for Valentine's Day. And for you peaches, you know who you are. Happy birthday again. I love you, girl. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share with your friends. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below saying you subscribe, and I will get back to your comment. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming video. I do post up every Wednesday and every Saturday. And stay tuned for my Wednesday video where I will be reviewing the NYX Diamond and Ice lip gloss collection. Be sure to follow me on my social media. I will go ahead and leave it down below. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.